Hi everyone, welcome to How To with Matt. Today what we're going to be doing is replacing my rear turn signal, specifically the left one. What we're going to be using are these Sylvania Long Life 3157 model bulbs. And there's the back as well, just to get the info. This one, the 3157, is specifically for the Jeep Wrangler JK model. What we're going to start by doing is removing the screws right here. On these, you don't actually have to remove the outside screws. It's specifically what we're going to be doing is just the inside screws. So once again, this is the left light. If you're doing the right side, that's going to be the left screws. But in this case, this is the left light to the car, so we're only removing the right two. What I'm going to be using is a drill. You can also definitely just use a screwdriver. Make sure it's in reverse. Go. Make sure you put it in your pocket so you do not lose these screws. Sorry about that miserable sound. Alright, so once we got those off, this entire piece should come off. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to be doing right here, we're going to turn, can counterclockwise. So you're going to turn that counterclockwise. That will come right out. This will just hang there. What we're going to do, so this can be difficult at times for some people to get these out, so going to grip it as close to the base as you can and pull just like that. Okay, we're going to open these up. Once again, Sylvania Long Life 317 model. Comes with two, I just need one, but I'll just save one for the future because inevitably this will happen again eventually. Got it right here. We're going to put it in, not much different than the way we took it out. In this situation, I would just grab the side of the base, push straight in, clips right into it, perfect, just like that. We're going to put it right back in. We're going to turn clockwise this time until it stops. There we go. What I want to do is just confirm that works, so let's check that out. All right, let's see. So right there, we're going to do the left turn signal, and it's perfect. Before, what it was doing was rapidly clicking, which means that one of the turn signals are out. Luckily, on the Jeeps, this model at least, this is the 2015, it will tell me specifically right here which one it is, which it did before. It said rear left turn signal, and now it works. Perfect. All right, so this is currently on. It's not actually secured, so let's grab those screws, put it right back on, right? Make sure your drill, if you're using one, is in the forward position now. Just be careful if you're using a drill, to make sure you don't push too far in. God forbid you crack this. Obviously, that could be more of an issue than you wanted it to be. And number two on the bottom. Go. Maybe a tiny bit more on the top. Perfect. And that's it. And that is how to replace your rear left turn signal, in this case, on a Jeep Wrangler JK model. If anybody has any comments or questions, feel free to comment below. I create how-to videos just like this one when it comes to just everyday things, not just cars. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.